So practice is very significant for you to learn English. Hey my dear brothers and sisters, and today I'm gonna practice with you lively. And today I would like to practice some adverbs, and I will try to make a lots of sentence with this kind of adverbs. And stay with me and try to say this kind of sentence with me. And I hope together we will make a lots of sentence. Okay, so at the first time I will make some sentence with the adverb however. So what is the meaning of however? That means jai hok na keno. However, I will try to make a lots of video. However, I will try to make a lots of video. However, I will try to go to different kind of countries. I have a wish. I want to go to different kind of countries because this is my another hobby. So however, I will try to talk with you. However, I will try to talk with you. যাই হোক না কেন আমি তোমার সাথে কথা বলার চেষ্টা করব. However, I will go to Dhaka, or you can go to different kind of place. You can choose a country, or you can choose a place for going there. So however, this is how you have to make a lots of sentence using this adverb however, and try to say loudly in your home. So don't say very quietly however. Don't say quietly. Don't say with the silent mode. Say all the time loudly and try to make your sentences. Okay, next is today I will share with you that is to some extent. So what is the meaning of to some extent? That means কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে. To some extent, that means কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে. So কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে I like this kind of things. কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে আমি এই ধরনের জিনিসকে পছন্দ করি. Okay, to some extent I try to go to Dhaka. To some extent I try to go to Dhaka. কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে আমি ঢাকা যেতে পছন্দ করি. Dhaka is the big city in Bangladesh, but I don't like Dhaka because it's very pollution. Dhaka is very pollution. So but to some extent কিন্তু কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে I like to go to Dhaka when I do different kind of emergency things. In that time I go to Dhaka and I try to do that. Okay, so to some extent, using to some extent, you have to make a lots of sentence in such a way. And also when you will make a lots of sentence, you can make a sentence this is how. So what is the meaning of this is how? This is how মানে এইভাবে. This is how, এইভাবে. This is how you have to practice. You have to make a lots of sentence. You have to come. This is how you have to come in front of the camera. This is how you have to catch fish. And this is how you have to make a lots of sentence. This is how you have to do that. This is how you have to take water. This is how you have to speak English in front of the camera. This is how you have to turn on your camera. This is how you have to close your camera. So this is how you have to make a lot of sentence in front of the camera. So my dear brothers and sisters, I hope this practice session was so fantastic for you. So this is how you have to make a lot of sentence. Have a nice day. I'll see you very soon with another video with some adverb or with some linking word, and I hope also you will stay with me.